Besides me is our VTW-35. The weight is 3,500 kg. This one looks very nice because it is toolless, so most people like it very much. This one with yellow color, it is customized by our buyers. Our standard color is blue one. Also, this one we use Kubota engine, so this engine can match Euro 5 and EPE 4. You check this one with the boom swing. Also, we can add in AC inside. If you need other accessories, we can change with hydraulic thumb, toothless bucket, and other accessories. So if you have any special demand, you just inform us. Thank you.